Coming up, I will discuss 10 of the worst digital marketing mistakes you should avoid. There's a right and a wrong way to do digital marketing. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. Digital marketing has forever changed business. Marketers are learning how to best take advantage of the new channels, tools, and technologies available today to market their company's products and services. There are bound to be some slip-ups when you try something new. Making mistakes is an excellent way for marketers to learn. What are some of the worst blunders that digital marketers make today? Not all errors are equal. Some mistakes can hold a company back from taking advantage of the benefits of digital marketing. To avoid digital marketing errors, you must learn from what other marketers are doing wrong. Let's dive into the 10 of the worst digital marketing mistakes that marketers can make and that you should avoid making at your company. Number 1, don't know target audience. Knowing your future and current customers are the foundation of an excellent digital marketing strategy. Spending time figuring out who your ideal customers are and determine their demographics, technographics, psychographics, and behavioral characteristics. For example, you should know their education, age, gender, values, interests, hobbies, technologies they use at their company, and their purchasing habits. To generate more leads, it's critical to know and clearly define your target audience. You can pick the right marketing channels to connect and engage with your target audience when you know them well. Do your research on your target audience and the best way to market to them. Digital marketing gives your business a wealth of data, so it's critical you get to know your target audience so you can better market and sell to them. Number 2, no keyword research. Future customers need to find you online, so search engine optimization or SEO is essential to capture them when they search for answers to their questions. Search engines such as Google and Bing drive a lot of traffic to a company's website if done correctly. To rank high in search engine result pages or SERPs, identify the right keywords. Companies must pick keywords that have high search volume and are easy to rank. Companies that do their keyword research find potential customers who use those keywords. Number 3, don't have a blog. Companies must have a blog to provide relevant, valuable, and insightful content to their target audience. Companies who answer questions through their blog find people who are looking for answers. A blog helps companies drive traffic to their website, have content to share on social media, convert website traffic into leads, and build a deeper relationship with their future and current customers. With a blog, you can be your own media company. You can tell stories without relying on traditional journalists to tell your story. A business blog provides companies with a marketing channel like social media and email marketing to communicate to their target audience. Number 4, not using social media. Companies must have social media to communicate to their target audience who use social media. Businesses who don't use social media miss out on the conversations on social media platforms that their future and current customers use. Social media helps companies follow their digital body language of their target audience. They become more informed about their online activities and find out what they like, don't like, and talk about. Companies that use social media channels such as Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok can attract potential customers through their content and conversations. Number 5, not optimizing for mobile. More than half of the worldwide web traffic comes from mobile. Mobile optimization is adjusting your website content to ensure your visitors on mobile devices can have a good experience. Suppose you don't optimize for mobile. You risk poor customer satisfaction. The goal of mobile optimization is to keep your potential and current customers satisfied while engaging with you on smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Your website should be mobile friendly, mobile optimized, and have a responsive website design so it operates well and looks good on any screen. If you don't optimize for mobile, your future and current customers will not trust your brand because they don't have an excellent end user experience that loads quickly and adjusts to different screens. Number 6, bad customer service. Research says that 70% of customers will continue to do business with a company if they resolve their complaints well. If companies don't solve their problems of potential and current customers with helpful customer service, there's a risk they won't purchase from the company again. Customer service is one of the most vital parts of digital marketing because excellent customer service can overcome lousy marketing. It's tough to overcome poor customer service without strong digital marketing efforts. Companies must have a page where visitors can contact them via a website, a virtual chatbot to engage with their audience online, and a helpful toll-free number. Number 7, no strategy. Things can change quickly in digital marketing with new competitors and technologies coming into the marketplace. If you don't have a digital marketing strategy that is well defined and communicated, your marketing will fail. Marketing is becoming more like sales, so strategy is critical to success. The problem is that many businesses don't have a digital marketing strategy. Everyone at your company probably thinks they know marketing, so your digital marketing efforts can go sideways quickly if you don't have a strategy. Without a plan, vision, and strategy, your marketing can be a waste of time, money, and resources. Your digital marketing strategy should be able to communicate to your C-suite on whether you're spending your marketing dollars wisely. The role of marketing is to farm the field so sales can harvest it and sell it to the buyer. Number 8, no competitive analysis. For a company to stand out in digital marketing, they must know their competition. What makes a business different from its competitors? When a company doesn't engage in competitor analysis, it doesn't know its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Competitive analysis helps businesses find a gap in the marketplace and enhance their digital marketing strategy. Number 9, no conversion of website visitors to customers. A solid website has a strong call to action and well-optimized landing pages that turn visitors into leads. A website conversion rate is how many website visitors turn into paying customers. A website must earn the trust of its visitors before these visitors are willing to become customers and buy a company's products and services. Number 10, no lead tracking. A lead can come from different digital marketing sources. Marketers must find out what channels are working the best to invest more budget into those channels. Lead tracking gives marketers the data they need to improve marketing campaigns, personalize content, and increase digital marketing return on investment, or ROI. When a company doesn't track its leads, it doesn't know how future customers found out about the business. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Digital marketing can be a powerful way to promote your company's products and services. There are 10 digital marketing mistakes that are bad that your company should avoid making. Digital marketing can boost your business if you don't make these errors. Companies who make digital marketing mistakes don't know their target audience, don't do keyword research, haven't launched a blog, don't use social media, haven't optimized for mobile, have bad customer service, have not created a marketing strategy, have not analyzed their competitors, can't convert website visitors to customers, and don't track their leads. You can grow your company's revenue if you avoid these digital marketing mistakes that are the worst ones you can make. Thank you for watching. Until next time.